I guess it's hard to for the camera to focus on just that. So I'll do the best I can for you guys. All right, that's released. Take this little thing off. I don't know what it's called, a little boot. All right. Guess I got to do some work up inside the car now. Looks like a 13 millimeter. Huh. Never took one of these out. Never took anything out on a Volkswagen. Well, 13 millimeters, see what happens. Take that off and that off. All right. Let me show you guys what I'm doing here. Okay, this is the knob that controls. This is the knob that controls the heater boxes. And I loosened this nut up already. So I'm just going to spin it off by hand. And then take this off. It's kind of like a bent washer type deal. And this is a nylon washer. And then, how does that come out? Need a little light on the subject. Oh, okay. Pull it all the way forward. How do I get the new one in? I guess I better hang on to the onto the old cable. Got a pair of needle nose vice grips. That way they don't fall down in the hole. But how do I get the tubes are right there. Okay. All right, I just got to clean the ends off so I can see where they are. I'm going to let this down a little bit so I can see exactly what I'm doing without trying to stretch. Just let it down so it connects on one more safety. This way I'm not hunched over too far. Okay. Oh wow, it is long. I never extended or unwound the new one. I knew it was going to have some length to it, but I didn't know it was going to be that long. All right. Unwind the the new one. Okay. I don't know what this plastic is. It's an orange, reddish orange plastic thing. I have no idea what that does. It slides up and down on the cable, but I don't know what it does. Well, the old one didn't have it, so I think I'm just going to cut it off. This orange plastic tube. The old cable didn't have any kind of a thing on it, so oh well, I'm going to cut it off, and I'm probably making a mistake, but wouldn't be the first one. Okay, let's see if we can get this in the tubes now. Tubes are right there. Well, they're going in. So far, so good. Yeah, they came out. They came out the back. That's a good thing. Okay. Put that in there. Okay. Nylon washer. This bent thing. And tighten up on this lock nut here. I don't know how tight it's supposed to be. I should have checked to begin with in the beginning. A little bit more. Okay. All right, that was easier than I thought. Cables are right here. One, and there's the other one is on the other side of the transmission. Okay, that's cool. That was a whole lot easier than I ever expected. I expected a big ball breaking experience. All right. Put the little condoms on. I don't want to kink the cable. Okay, we're right near the end. I can see it. I can see the tip. I do not want to kink the cable. There it comes. You see it? See it? It's crowning. It's turtling. Well, that's taking a sweet ass time. But it is going. All right. One tip. Protected. Well, the tube end protected anyway. All right, move over to the other side. This has some grease on it too. So I guess we're about as lubed up as we were on the other side. Huh. This side is going slow, but it's going a hell of a lot faster than the other side was. I just got done putting the other side in, and it went a hell of a lot smoother than the first side. And as soon as I got done, I looked over and just enough to see, and the camera clicked off because it was I needed a new battery. I got change the battery, not a new battery. So, all right, this job went a whole lot smoother than I really expected. So I think, well, I'm going to grab some lunch right now, but I think the what I'm going to wind up doing after I eat is I told you before I got some stuff in the mail today. I got these guys here. These are going to be for the trunk lid, or the for the engine lid, and I got tubes for my fresh air vent. I wasn't sure if one was going to cut it. I did take some quick measurements, and I think that I am going to need two. I might wind up cutting some off. Okay, that's it. Just those two. a pair of the tubes and a pair of the channels. And in one other video, it might have been the last one or the one before, I ordered a vent, but it wound up being the wrong one. But I ordered the correct one this time, and they come in pairs, so I'll put them in later. I'm going to have some lunch. I'm going to lower this thing down, and that'll be that. I'll probably wind up putting the wheels back on. This way, if I have to move it a little bit, I can. All right. I don't know what time it is. What time is it? 3 o'clock. Lunchtime. I'm gonna ruin dinner, that's for sure. Oh well. Worst things have happened. Make it a light lunch. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe.